Hello guys, welcome to Data Warriors channel. This tutorial is about alter table statement. In our previous tutorials, we learned how to create a tables in SQL. But what if we need to make changes to an existing table? We create a table and we want to make the changes to the existing table after the table has been already created. That's where the alter table comes in the picture. Okay, so alter is one of the data definition language commands in SQL, guys. Along with the create, drop, and truncate, alter is one of the. So using alter table statement, what operations we can perform? We can add new columns to the existing table. Then we can drop or remove an existing column from a table, and then we can modify or change the data type of the data type and size of the column. Then rename column. We can rename existing column. In this tutorial, we will learn all of these operations with practical examples. So let's start with it. First, we are going to create a table for our demo, this alter table demo. So what we have to do, first we have to run, this is our demo is a schema. So first we have to select default schema to demo. So use space demo, execute this. Yes, demo is selected. Now inside that we are going to create one table, employees table, on which we are going to perform practical examples. So this employees table we are creating with the employee id, emp name and salary, these three columns. Okay, just select this, and this we just added for safety. Drop table if exist, if that table is already present, it will drop that table first and it will create the table again. Let me execute. Yes, now just refresh this. Yes, table is created. Now we have created empty table. We will insert some data. These are the queries. Insert into employees values. These three rows we are going to insert. Just I will select and will execute this. Okay, now we will verify the data, table and data, using select hashtag from employees. Let me run this. Yes, this is the table, employees table we have in a demo schema. EMP ID 123, employee name Amol Patil, Akash Gupta, Tarun Kumar, and these are the salaries, guys. Okay, now we will go one by one through the alter table statements, guys. Okay, so now first example we are going to see add column. So add new column to the existing table. We have these three columns available: emp id, emp name and salary. So what we have to do, we have to add new department column with size varchar 30. This is the data type to the employees table. How we can add new columns to the existing table? Using alter table statement. Alter table, then table name we have to provide, that will be employees. Alter table name. After that we have to add new column, so add keyword will come here. Alter table employees, add, then you have to write column name here. What is column name? Department. What is the data type of it? Varchar 30. Hmm. So what is syntax, guys? To add new column, alter table name employees, which table we have to alter, and then what we are doing, add, because we have to add new column, add and then space new column name, department and data type of. Just execute this. Yes, we have executed, our execution is successful. How we can verify? We can run select asterisk from employees. Yes, the department column which we added now, just now, that is coming now, and earlier no data was there, right? That column is new column, so all values are null for the existing data. Okay, all values will reflect null, and whenever we will add new values now, it will reflect. Okay, so similarly we have to see another thing. We added the column and that came at the end by default, right? So if we have to add a new column which is at the specific position, like if we have to add email column after this emp name column, how we can do that? So that we will see now. Add new email column after emp name with varchar 100 size to the employees table. How we can do? We have to use alter table, and table name will be employees. Alter table name will be employees, and then we have to mention add. We have to add the column. Add, what is column name? Email. Okay, what will be the data type of this? Varchar 100. Mention this varchar 100. Okay, so we have mentioned all details. Alter table implies add new column name email varchar 100, but we don't want to add that column at the end, so we have to mention that. Otherwise this is also fine. After which column we have to like add that emp name? After column name you will give. Just execute this. Alter table implies add email column new column with varchars 100 is a data type, and after emp name here it should come in between emp name and salary. Yes, we have executed. Now how we can verify? With help of this select star from implies, we can read the data and we can verify if that new column is coming. So yes guys, we added this email after emp name column, and that is reflecting, and it is before salary column. Okay, so this way we can add new column at the specific position. Okay, so next thing we are going to see how to add multiple columns at once. Like in our previous example what we did, we added only one column at a time. So now if we have to add multiple columns to the existing table, how we can do? So we can do that with the help of alter. Again alter table name will be implies, then add. What is the column name we have to add? Add joining date and city varchar 30. So this joining date we will take. Okay, so joining date name itself explaining it is a date, so we have to give date data type, then comma, then another add will come, and then you have to give the column name and data type. So this will be your column name city and varchar 30. Okay, so alter table implies add joining date, add city varchar 30. So both add statement under the single alter table implies alter table string command we can give by separating with help of comma, and just execute this. I'm executing this. Yes, our execution is successful. Now how we will verify the data, like these new two columns got added or not, joining date and city? We have to execute this. Read data from employees. Let me execute. Yes, we have successfully added multiple columns at once, joining date and city. We will go to the next thing, how to drop column. So now if we will see 1, 2, 3, there are total 7 columns along with the city column. So if we have got the requirement, like from the existing table we have to delete one column. So how we can do that? Using alter table we can do that. Alter table, then table name will be implies. We have to write, because from employees table we are doing alter table implies, then earlier we are using add and then new column name. So here we have to drop existing columns, so drop will come, and then what we are dropping? Column. So column, alter table implies drop column, and then column name will be city. Okay, just how you will give alter table implies drop column, and what will be the column name? City. Just execute this. I'm executing this. Yes, execution is successful guys. Then let's verify this thing using select asterisk from implies. Yes, city column got deleted or dropped. That only we wanted, right? So how to drop a column? Alter table, table name will come implies, and then drop column you have to mention the keyword, and after that new column name which you want to drop. Okay, so now next thing is that modify column. What we have to do with in modify column, what kind of operations we can perform guys? if we wanted to change data type of an existing table or a size of that data type, existing data type, we can do with help of modify column. Okay, so we have one example. Here we have salary column. So if you want to change the data type of the salary column from integer to decimal 10 comma 2, how we can do that? First we will verify existing data type. Describe command is there to see the earlier metadata. Describe and table name we have to do. So let me execute. Yes, these are the column names and their data types and their nullability, guys. So the salary earlier in integer, now we want to do change the data type of an existing column salary to decimal 10 comma 2. How we can do? Same thing, we have to write alter table implies, alter table implies, and then you have to write modify column, and this will be your data type. Alter table implies modify column, which column you have to modify, that we have to give salary and their data type, new data type. Then just execute. I am executing this. Earlier just observe this is in integer salary. Yes, execution is successful. Again we will run describe implies to see the metadata. Yes, now salary coming in the decimal 10 comma 2 data type. So with help of modify column we can change the data type and size also. So size, how we can do, like here we have example increase varchar size. How we can increase varchar size? With help of example we will try to understand. Increase, we have this emp name column, guys, right? So here we have example, we have to increase emp name varchar size to 100. Earlier one is a varchar 50, correct? How we can do? We have to write alter table implies, then same modify column. Which column we have to modify now? This emp name column. Okay, and what size we are going to give now? Varchar, instead of varchar 15, varchar 100. Varchar 100. Okay, let me execute this. Yes, execution is successful. How we will verify? Using describe table name to view the metadata and data types. Yes, now emp name size got increased. Varchar 100. Earlier it was varchar 50. This way we can modify the existing column, guys. Their data type we can change or size we can change. Now next thing we have, if we have got the requirement where these are the column names, right? Where we have to change the column name itself. So how to rename a column? Using alter table implies we have to write same thing, alter table table name, and then you have to give rename column. Then which column you want to rename? Here we have rename employee name emp name column to the full name. So existing will be emp name, and you have to mention two keyword to what you want full name. We have to change this emp name column to the full name. So how we are doing? Alter table implies will be same alter table statement. After that rename column here to mention, and then which column we have to rename? Emp name to which new column name? Full name. Just let me execute this. We'll be able to see. Yes, got executed. Now we will verify the data using select asterisk from implies. Earlier it was emp name, now it is coming as a full name. So this way we have seen, guys, with help of alter table statement we can alter the properties of the table or modify the structure of table, existing table. Then these are the four things we saw. With help of alter table statement we can add column to the existing table. We wanted to drop column, then we can drop the column. If we wanted to modify existing column, like we have to change the data type or size of a column, that also we can do. Also, in addition to that, if we wanted to rename the column, that is also possible. And these are the practical examples we saw. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next session.